Harley did me a deal. They've got what they call freedom points, so they were able to apply those to the purchase, and I've got some discount. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what they look like. Let's get these opened up. Okay, we've got some instructions, and the thing is that they should be really easy to install, but touch wood, fingers crossed, that's something we're going to do together. So this is all they are. You retain the outside of your indicator, and you fit these into the insert where you take your and as you can, and then you've got all your electronics are in here. Product that'll keep it all waterproof. So yeah, that's that one, and they did give me two, so that's excellent. This side up, and you can see there all the electronics in there that make these things go, but from the picture you can see the halo, and it's just going to be interesting to see how these come together and what they look like. You know, make it look a little bit different from everybody else's Sport Glide. So bear with me, we'll see how it goes. Thought before we go racing out to the garage and trying to install them, I would have a quick look at the instructions, which is very, very unlike a Kiwi to do, but yeah. Right, that's a quick look at the instructions, right? Okay, so the whole idea is this is going to be really straightforward, so stand by. So it's cover off, and then cover off, then lamp out, cover, new lamp. Only thing we've got to watch out for is it's got it this way up. Apparently there's a drain hole in the bottom of that, and that is for rain. So because we brought a Harley part, it's just a matter of hooking this up, pushing it in. Jesus, I feel like it wants to go in. It's got a slot here for a screwdriver, so I'd say that we put it in with the screwdriver, and then we can push it in tighter. No. What's going on there? Doesn't want to go in. Just compare these two. They look identical. It's got a nice bit of goop around it. Probably should put that on there too. Okay, let's try that again. Oh dear. Does not want to go in. They look the same. Okay, what's going on with this one? They don't want to go in either. Come out alright. Shit. Okay, well I sussed that out. What happened was it's got two slots, and what I was trying to do is put it in the wrong slot. So right, there we go, plugged in this way up. Apparently you just push it on. Jesus Christ, they're not keen. Yeah, there we go, on. Looks different already, eh? Kind of looks a bit different already. Right, one to go. Let's just try and see if we can get this one. So it's got a big slot there. Just twist the off, it pops nice and easy. Out pops your lamp. You get your new one. Just be careful, it's this side up because of the drain. Just take a bit of that goop off that lamp, because that kind of seals that moisture out, and then it's a matter of finding the right slots, as we found out last time. So the hardest bit of the operation I've found is actually getting these to clip in. They're pretty tight, but I guess they've got to be tight. So, oh fuck, that's tight. Oh jeez. Yeah. Make sure you have your wheat bix for breakfast, because that's actually quite tight. And there you go, voila. It's on until such time as I know for sure that's going to work. So wow, that's bright. It's pretty amazing. Pretty hard to look at actually. Very, very bright. Okay, so I'm really liking the way it's changed the look of the front of the bike. It's really cooled it down. Can you imagine that's what it did look like with that big orange globe or piece of plastic there. So now it's like that. It's sort of the colours now go together with the silver and the black.